and a warrior high. A man, papa, or didn't feel cat what you was young to share him between your coupon. Says I do be young, or Piazza, or Pianin, you could come catch or play from cat or play.
So open ye party. Going for a loan, or you can cut your head and sell it.
My mom's eye, which is a see, I didn't mean, I changed some on to mean that, like, I mean, I could say,
I said, no, we didn't buy me. Pammy Yamia, Yamia than the mouth. A minute, yea,
farmer. You are panic jack to do.
Jack, don't do
the banner.
Now, if you are free, and no, maybe I'm just I'm a flop, and you mean that Jim Cassamoka. Ah, hello, what's it? Ah, and you buying a cousin, what you do for? I told what Sassani, who slow you now? Yamate Pierre, we didn't know slow to know, yes, sir. We don't have any passing. Full bad, we are playing full bad. We appear, who slow here? I appear. We shall be with us. Somebody with an above. When I
What do that is?
Yo.
What be?
That's it. But she didn't mama. Oh, what brand got my brand?
Show.
Oh, shout out. Oh, stop your mom. Oh, Jane. Aburo. So when me answer sir.
Oboy Nkansah obaha.
It is go kutatua. Come na babu come me ma.
Tofia kwandi nsida. Na obaha no ma meka bia wonti. Me so wanwe ase da me kokotie ni nti ma kokotie me nsa kwa wo so.
Catch David, what you want to say? What you want 5 ya ani yan? Ha?
Me pacho boss.
Abre ye fojuma obra. Sebe abushafo kabre sa na fojuma.
Ya ma hanta no ya na odia chim.
Hwe. Ma ninyi de twatwo. Afina ko papa we. Mo nwa fi abiem. Wo wa no ma. Ne bo pia ni die.
O mali pa. Say we Jamaica new say we dey new. Obafie ha wo nko de this. Ma hwe ya papa we pass no. Misu me pese me ne be ya na wonhwe ya na makotene me nsa wono so yese mabu panyin apulo wa bu panyin ofia me mpene saa o
issue be a before baby yan kame chire mesi ti obi amfana sumra na bere wa bi ni kuna planet omo de adwin kase adwuma shisha na omo shisha omo bedi di omo papa omo fe pasta omo tete issue be a before baby yan kame chire mesi ti obi amfana sumra na kokura bi ni ra planet omo de adwin kase adwuma shisha na omo shisha omo bedi di omo papa omo fe pasta omo tete ose ya baba di go fu ya beti ati amasi atu ya no me binti ya beti you
Ah, Chasi wurie. Papa. Chasi ye. Ah! Big Tonya kopao. Papa kwa number 1 bitonya kopo me ka ma me na wo de be yawo aboa wo dwane ke be bu na bitonya kopo aboa me ne ba fa yan kopo be hweleka do fa no yan be twiaka wo ba bre no bu so fa yan ba bre enwa
Huh? What is it? Charlie, you have to be careful, you know? The kind of people you play around with, you need to be very, very careful, okay? Seriously. That man was a madman. Are you okay, though? Oh, proud?
You okay?
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Wow. Ah! Now in the day I will do what you saw. What happened? Where in the day?
Okay.
Na friend no. Ne ba na wo.
Awo.
Akwala wo nya fe ba ku tie we na ni mo odi atendem.
Anya gura sa me ena mu de me. I'm say.
O ba hie na de na send.
Wa hwe.
Na de
Oh, we de. Onfu ju shi bi na. Odi aba me no.
Ana wa ko hwi.
Na say.
Wo de wo nya romantic kura. E ba hie na ko hwie bi ama.
Nunca kai.
Ase chira wo mi shu.
Dada bishiri kawe.
Mi shu ga me kwaso. Sugar ni.
Dada bishiri ni. Nada mama.
Aje.
Yeah.
Na de ni wa o ba fie ni wa mu. Ade asem.
Hey, de ba sem.
Won gasa.
How dey bu fufu monta be wura ma. Wa nche kwata beta de.
Abeta na wa nim sa na obi so ma wa bonte ana. Tena ho e.
Asamai.
Daddy. The last time I come back, I was me we get na me ba ma ne wanya na hwe. And na me nam street ni so ne papa. Omukura kontiba no mdidi mnika di machi.
Sase.
Enyo obi ne kwa ebeje me de meta ne ka mbesi mi aka nim de ombe de ba me street ni so.
Omo di abasan.
Omo di kontiba di machi so di mlika.
Omo yede di wachi se konfo ana sese.
Daddy me nya bre me omo di aba di machi.
Ah, aba di wachi o wan ka we.
Wachi ni sika.
Oh, bana, Benjiga, anase konfo mu ye say, mu ye say.
Wa di nachi dia so di nachi. Yanko ye case.
Sisi. Se me kam ho a, na di passe menye. O wa dia papa ye age mi sem. Na wa kwakutu a wo si ya de bone no. Wa ntime ntudofo. Wo so di akire bi.
Na se wa jimi a wo ba jimi.
Na po bi abone ba. Aye ne ba bone a atofo se ba. Me atufose me ba hey semantina damidin semantina fem so se no me da me ya de unsa mpa wo se meta wachi hey me ba ma fa fo bra ma fa fo ene ko si agwa
o kwa fly hwan
me fa adi baba na zia me ba
emu no ani eye hey what one flower there.
Agbo. Abai, bom, tie. Bom. Agbo. Bom ye. Wasa. Dia. Pengen mbone.
Oi.
Mia, at the first. Man, maybe I tell you, do some bra. Me na macho face.
Enti na wo de be call. Yeah. Enti. Masa. Bibi sa.
Me.
Penini. Na be ka. E ba na wo tata no.
Me na see ancho. Me na see ancho.
Na wo ba.
Asawani awenya. Papa boni.
Kwadwo Nkansah.
We ni sasani.
Sa.
Wo tata be ba.
Okay.
Wo beso kumba.
Ye do ho no mo.
Macho.
Okay.
Me na kacho.
Me place.
Ka we me see ko.
Hey, police station. Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Eliason.
I say.
Bra. I'm married. Minimum.
Catch what you?
Who's one so my brother?
Catch you. Me the asam to abemo.
I'm so I'm the boy.
See me, asam to abemo.
I sent you to an end to it. Me
out of force me come see now. Me a woman did that. Atro. Come here. Winning
today. We are my boo. We are my boo. Me catch all. Me knew that I am my boo. Me catch all. We are once a my boo in Suya. Wow. We are going. You may all know.
I was
my friend.
What's up there? Mr. Some trouble. Mr. Some trouble. I'm going to do what? Abua, on s'est tout top. Fadi ou Whoa! Mathieu, alors Mathieu.
Astamai, issue be a big pump.
Yes, God. I say, or froze it. I'm a ben, I'm frozen.
What are my patrona? Let me prepare gate no kakra.
So wonya say we feel an efro. Ne wo ye bia janebra. Wo ba wie na akwato adwuma so.
Let me prepare gate no. So say
I say I am adwuma. Mimi hia ese adwuma na wo ye no. Wo ba wie ansa na akwato so.
That's all sorry.
Hweyo. Hweye. Wani ayate wani nton the star. Ya fasi eba no. Esu se wo ya akwa. We get my ya da na wo wen ye. Wo shi ni mfa so. Tiriye. Adum bi na so. Ka je fi ambo ntra. Tiawa. La efi na kro. Ni pe we fi ados do. On ba fa nsem pinesi bi tie me. Die si ye mi no munta basem. Efi na kro. Wo bia ba so ba mo no ma twen. Manu ntwene bra. Bebu sam se ja. Di pastor wo ba won che wo mra ana mo mba. E fa pa mi e pruto. De ni pe wuam ni akọ ni e ba. Ento kwasem emwa.
Se obi bomu a mami mienu manemba.
Mesi obi ba. So ba mentia. Mama nya awra ansa. Bebu mama ne ansa na oba wa ba wo ma so wo ma. Amani wo mansa. Baba na wo wotia. Ade ya ye bie mi. Baba no betia ade Skits e bie mi. Esa bebe ye udasi bibia. Se u bie pro ya ude.
Wadaroma enye se bia me de mepe na ebi wo. Papa bi ti se Jamaica Rasta ma ya wo bai. Oba ya na se me ka bibia no wotwa fa so no pia magina nche no wo ko.
Wonu nya sentra, wajimi. Oma panyi tiwe. Obi kwa na Skits na makwa bere wako. Hade nani so achintire. Mama na bia, ma bia manaba.
So the only intent ntina me fa de say one day one no ye are mafo.
Ensine. Finako, bo be bia na so ye hwan. Imesitransa. Tiawa, ko to eluma.
Acho yo mu na asa asan kakra.
Chelsea.
Udio.
Je oba ka ti on to mo.
That's
Ya kai. Man fe wi afọ bi kwa me Skits. Ni obi ni o ka tu obi. Se u twen kwa na padi oba ajato force wana wo bi prato. Wo busa obani wo be fiana. Se o pa bebi siri bibia.
Hey, Chelsea.
Yes, dear.
What's up?
I'm good. How about you?
So, Charlie, I'm good. I hope those guys, they didn't bother you again.
Hey! I said that I'm the mama, my dear. Was saving my life. Trust me. But maybe if you have complaining to my father, why arrest you on Montino?
What?
Yeah.
He did? Oh, for a guy who... Hey! Oh, that's nice.
You don't know my father. Oh, funny men, yeah, bro.
Yeah, they deserve it.
Hey! We're afraid of doing my quick action.
Praise you.
You need to open any of this out.
Trust me. I'm sure. Thank you so much. That moment, that one coming to me, I was so scared.
Anyway, it was actually nice meeting you today, you know. Yeah. I hope we get to meet another time.
Sure.
Maybe papa kokra me so. Maybe I'm coming in peace, okay?
Bye. We dear, as I go. Mama kuma so adi me. We dear, mama kuma so adi. Oh my God. Hey, me say, ya dia juba po de page ba pa video. Ka wasi afo ya nyangu me so a. Sen go be twema kwa ne baby o. Esi bibi happy for a reason.
Eti wa susu ampa say
Adia ntinka to Chelsea ntina nkaye. Hey. Daddy. Enti abrante pa no ode edue. Chelsea wi senye nyame ne obi domfo ene se oje Chelsea na chese ntika dia bani na chese onam ho na e dia ba bo ne kwachi. Ni nyina so nam emema ihu sika wo gigi ya wo gigi mema ihu susu. Daddy aden. Wo pension pay anso wudi. Pension pay no anso wudi. Enti pension pay na anso wudi. Anso ne mami di. Enti ono ho na say wada ni Western Union. Aden na wo yesa. Yana mentiu ne baby asi. Wokasa asa wo yeme oya. Wosu chirifuo asudi abete. Eni no won e bo de ba. Ana e pra de ba se ba pra me obi ba. Me trefe kwa. Yeso ma ga na menu mana. Emma o mon papa. Na nchi wa na so mre no manimu. Menyam no. Ato force menyam mre da. Yo kana se bisa no. Bachi na de fiasi. Bachi no. Toronto bachi no. Wo fufi. Ebima wanya samu ade. Ebi me pachaw. Adima be ne mo fa yi. Anye me pe. Omuda chinti. Abochi abeso mo ko bra. Anya ga na mutina me yesadi. Yakasa se me fa ho be sembi da bua me. Wo se wonya me pachaw. Se utirifuo abetie jadi. Eba sa de awudi ni nyina. Me mpa bufu sembiara. Enya de mamufu. Me pachaw. Ekoba ye nyina anya me so na asa abesi. Wo ye dey. Kafa mu nyina ekoba nya me amisika. Dudu say. Nu commander man sika na we. Uzika. Nu ski seri no, uzika. Anya me a na ti wo frame ya wo ne ma me. Ensugu me so. Ensugu me so ti me mani sika me sende uska. Wo fo no we ma me ho mo ba mo ni. Me. Daddy. Me aja me tiwe. Ama wo no. Me be so me sika. Na kese peko nu. Wo kese eko nu. Na wa hwe wo pebe ma papa bi akwaje ni huska obi efren Toronto. Chese sa na ka wo ya makwa bi ese efren go mango. Ne ma me kama asem nkire we na fatu honfo. Mi swa me start say ya mi sisu say ya. Say wa gigi akwa bi sika efren go mango. Waya drugstore. Waya bibi. Waya no asuma me wose kwajiska we me kwa eda kro ye so oche me ahe na mampe. What ase? Mampe na kwa ni kosia me marketa kosia muno wo de bo ma pampam bo me dua. Wa ganye serious. Ya koda ni na ntoa. Papa so ayawa. Me kai aboa me su akukuo. Kuku na msu aye. Me so ayawa. Wuni na bai. Wuni da bai. Almost a footballer. I said, Kumasi Amanika had Papa, and I'm a true me waha, go mango tea. And to me too for son or ya, mamma ni or Coswaya, once and another me boss some swan or solid your face or
says the old kind of mean new chinny. But daddy dear, or no come boy grass sometimes say complaining so ye overprotective. Or my MP on or more beyond fan and sacran can. Inti de wo kana sa wo mum na wa mix bibi kakra wo sa wo ya wo mo bia de make na nya no kore me na me say o kan ya sa wo pa just say o de ni number bi scan na audio na sika no audio nya bia se na ye de aba asa wo no no de obetimi aka ba na so wadani esi aba no etika bo wan ka da shote ha ekeke wan no bo so say we nipa boni nipa unse wo di ma me nipa pechi chese sika na ye jeje na bia na ade aye shepe so no na wusi wo enye sanse ye wo de wo kan san die se kotoni ade enwa ye de aduane wo fiara so ya sunyo mu nkasa ya yo mate
wow. Hi.
I said it and
see an F power.
Yes.
Are you going to take some?
No, thanks. Okay.
Chelsea.
Share. What's I'm catch you say at the end, They are before them again.
I want to ask you a question. Do you remember that day? The day now, yeah, and the boy, no, the go son episode they stick me ball. That guy that was chasing you the other time. The day the parents were here and episode they stick me ball.
Tony, my name near media guy. And your madam for me. Mini Unisa from nowhere me come baby. Me who saw this abandoned image.
What's my guy really make sense?
Listen.
I mean, how can somebody you don't know, somebody you've not seen before, all of a sudden meet you and start chasing you with a stick? That make sense?
No father name, my father friend.
Now you're talking. Go on.
And I said, you know, on my issues, I cry. It's the name the exam my involvement me.
No father, no wo father.
They are
There were
friends.
issues.
No money issue.
And we shout. Then he just pick a stick, no chase you, so the ball.
Same my father arrested or mono.
So you see, I think so your father was right to arrest him.
Yes.
Because nobody knows. Maybe one day be because we shout, baby. No, I find it's easy. Then he'll start chasing you, and then who knows? We'll be in one of that day I could be proud.
My father dear, my man dear, dear.
Yeah, he love you guys, man.
Yeah.
Very, very, very good.
Once again, thank you. And
What?
that's a once a vimia. Just a can't need to me tonight.
Yeah, you have to. But what do you make up about?
That's a meme go school to make.
Anyway.
She moving in a series.
Were you watching the movie?
Misha Paola Wamo Angry. Ending Yana Wamo man focus.
So you can tell me the story.
Yes, but ending no.
Chelsea.
Yes.
You know, I really enjoy this company.
Oh.
And I don't know. When do you think you'll make another time for me? Let me see if you have a for your profile.
Anytime.
Ain't up is okay.
Maybe I'll make a video.
Are you sure? Okay. I'll pick a date.
Aye.
And you pick the venue.
Abanya kwaba. If I try to say, Emma Shana.
Oh, where are
you? And I pay madam.
Where the come simple. Open me did Kwamboati.
Kwamboati.
And a jabwati and no frame.
Jabwati. Now when be that?
Minimu kakra. Kakra. Na wohana mingura hada.
No.
Nya bone. Me yonko ne Jack Toronto. Jack.
Oya Jack Toronto.
Hello be there me yonko no.
Open ni pia Pia
Timanu asa.
No, Dami.
What Timanu asa mansa misro.
Toronto yonko no.
Miss oh, Timanu asa mansa. Misro pi.
Na wo fia ko me fia to say. Wo fia e to say. Ni bu se fudama. Ba pia ba saboto no. Ah se body say Jack Toronto yonko no. Mo try to go say see.
Misro de Timanu asa. Misro.
Kasa assemble pa chawo.
Yeah, now it can be said. There are 4 cardinal points in life: love, honesty, truth, and respect. Without this in your life, you are nothing.
Muti. Nya wo kan abra obi ni le wale. Ele kasa ni mo chi wale fo no. Me wale ena panyi me nya wedding. Wo be kasa say we da kire me. Tedit assembly me pa chawo.
Eno na me pese me kire say Jack, emu ba kokura wa fa anya adwuma. Na enu me wo ha na me nya call. Na police ni bi na frame.
Me na ma che no. Ma che on ni ba ni nyina.
Enu ti na me bai. Opanyi ampa nipa wo ben wo awo nyini so be obi no no ye ade a na eya nipa oye bibi na obi gyanche na onti ase a wose wo nipa boni ni o musa ase chi a wa chiri de ka ne kwan so ano no Sense one person di mra be show nsem nti na ode na komo police. Ni je se emra no e na ode ye atwuma. Na me nhyira. Nipa bi o ti sa bia o bi asebe o dwi nipa ho. Nti na se wo chichuto botom ni kura asebe enkono de fa na police ne mra no ni. Wa ya die pa. Nenso ye timpo anu ide enye de be tieti anwem. Mesre opi. Se wada Roma. Ka hwe na asem ne yenyimra fi nanka NCC ne mfa so wie mana Jack no menim ade a wayɛ sɛ yi fitu kokko ni
opanyini ni kure ni wakasa maboto ma usampa no nyansa
yasi
na nyansa ne di gim fachi ya ebe sidai ana abo
asaw
ana saw ma be kese tiawi that's one afi hwe otimu dwene wonu me ya botipen na me na mede me ba ana wo so bo wa me bayi yaka aka wose wonte ase wontimi no wontra wo ba na wo kwa ajaje
tano de ne
ajaje miso olubai na maje
e acceptance fee
ajaje olubai na maje 15,000 20,000 me transi ampa wona be 6 billion ana bedi mo na so anya bosia wo pa mbaba nti wo ba bi la wi mam maje aye ya wo simi jibisika na so tata mbei edin sikai pento toro obejimi na direti so when you na de efe baba bro ma bobra papa we fi awade hwe mi compound mini ato forcing mini yebom di ato forcing me ye wicked mo de no be senyu mo se na bia o ma na obi a mo boto no ni pantomase naso fom ni nani kom wakasa me ne agise we panyini woni mu de na anyawe wo de madwuno ho enko sanyimire no se osem yi na obate nka tudi ma bonto yim why kafra
ni se ko di be si ama me
o wade wo de akoma no so na me ko odem na me de apia bonte tinya se bibi nkora kam se ba kwa bonte na ma sa poko wura dem ti kam kwa wo dem apepie sa na so wo kasa ma boto no so num nyansa
I drugs one day. Tell me knows that a fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She a change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out of my life, you know. We are good here now, well, love. You see me? Almighty Adonai inspiration.
Chelsea.
Yes.
There's something bothering me a lot. I mean, I have a big issue, and I wish you can help me. I mean, it's none of your business, but now that I am a friend here, I want to see if you are allowed to help me.
Okay.
You see, while well, him how our old people normally sit here.
You mean your mom?
Yeah, my mom. There was this particular girl that I grew up with.
Okay.
Now, because I'm mommy, my girlfriend that Adipia, she's worrying me. Where is your girlfriend? Where is your girlfriend? I want to see your fiancé. I want to see where she is. Like, you know, these old people, when they see you, you know, build up a little bit, they think you are old enough to get married. And she have been on my neck like crazy. Now what she's doing it, she's pushing this girl to fall in love with me.
Your sister?
She's not my sister. She's like a family friend, but she's more like a sister. Now she's pushing her to, to fall in love with me. But the gospel truth is, I don't love her.
Why? Any reason?
No, there's no reason. She's like a sister to me. And I don't have no feelings for her. You understand? But me, mommy, why stubborn? Oh, pushy girl, still to me. I kept telling her, said, no, I don't have any interest in her. But oh, pushy girl to me. And the reason why she's doing that is because she's not seen my fiancé.
Okay. So.
You see? So right now, what I want you to do for me, the favor I want from you is, I want you to come with me. Let's go and see my mom. And then I will explain to her that you are my fiancé. Please, I know it's weird. I know it's weird. Chelsea, don't laugh. I know it's weird, okay?
Are you serious? When you're a real far stranger, I could show mommy her girlfriend. Who does that?
If I don't do that, she'll keep pushing this girl to me. And I don't want it.
Okay, fine. Wait yourself.
If it's about money, it's nothing. Money is not a problem. The only thing I may pay for you want to say, would you do it?
I'm saying business.
You just pretend like you're my girlfriend. Yeah.
That's what you're saying.
How much would you take?
I'm just kidding. And I do, Scott. You know what's by now?
No, but still, I'll give you something.
Oh, forget about it. I'm just kidding.
So, are you in?
Yes.
You in?
Anytime.
Thank you. You see, I knew I can count on you. Anyway, if I win this game, you owe me.
Baby, now who hear favor from me, no? Who win here?
I'm joking.
When are we doing this?
Chelsea. Okay, do you know how we're gonna do it? Just give me the time you're gonna be free. Anytime you are free, just let me know. Just give me a call. Tomorrow. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Anyway, still, maybe no, I will reach you.
What are
you doing? That's not your ball. Your boy. You are the one.
And who could we play now? What the bass and the apple?
Oh, we say plain as usual.
And one as I deco.
Of course.
Hey, and we are starting for bass. Never play Nisicano. Eka yesika ho. Na je yesi wo kwa 20, wo ba 20.
20 million.
Wow.
Eburu kwampo. Na enye onwa. Sa dia kwa epre ba ko pe no bi afa. Ana ga na mpelefo ji di abura. Abanfo ma papo. Akati kumasi kwangia ya. Ko bi afa preda. Ka ta enye. O fa so wunya accident. Wa fa so fa preza ne body.
O me dia me twa ka metu. Sa me nim ka twipa na me ababa wa teta mu na me woka. Ka me fu preda.
Yes, Sikano. But just a moon dream is safety. Say I made dress and dream.
I'm on for mama.
Oh, you want problem. Almost I say a do almost see a bobo one idea, Miss Women, person is sissy bebo that you why
quite now. And true now.
Who is our bay? I said, I'm a fresh shot. No, we never penny, I bet it's on.
What is only a banana?
I put on my one day. I will be at you with this one. See, base in the animals are clothing. Or maybe many back. What's up, Papa? And what penny?
No, what's last one in a penny. I'm penny some pecasa. No, I didn't a penny and I chocolate. Hey,
that's the way they made this so. Make kind, make one of them. Oh, mamma, me cheek, Cosiama, Cosiano, she is safe from. Yeah, one of the far walk, Timothy, I say.
And the walk over by that way.
Said, you mamma, me quine. More money send you, you may sit here. My quite, yes, it gave you a media fee. No great, to miss more. To say, Sika wedding. And to me, Bremenia, Bremen, Nessa me piscany be Bremois, me pamucho. A ya, Munyanica crack. Papa, Dad. Cause you have formed the dear. They say when you know, the wool by chicos you have formed 10. One casacran and yet hygienic Emma. And to Madame Roma mean yes, Cabiana made the bar so we.
Eh, no, I bet the day. A boy, a brand, and
why, as a sister Penny, where you name. A bar, maybe I'm the baby, and way you go. The big year shall we?
A rabbi, ding. Yeah. Oh no, sorry, anonymous.
Oh, wait. A lady is a fan of a woman.
You can say, can we apply a dean?
What do you say?
My parents should not show me you. You know, I'm probably going to back some Sunday. So I
said, "Them never send it. I'm very why."
Yeah, na call na play ni your papa there. And na ho ntwe.
I say, "Mommy,
Me bacho ana.
how dey chobo dey jam kwan."
you only have in call.
Yo, Martin, Daddy, yo, why? Remember, take care. Mommy, Mom, baby,
Mommy family
On pa one ya tete so na wo wa dudun ko bu.
Sawa,
Take care, bye.
Mommy, me so kora bremo. I'm sure mo so ye.
Udra flow.
Yo, Martin. Oh, dear boy. Obana kanya sampa.
Sade.
Uno katia o.
Ose.
Ya wati papa. Sika na me brele me saka ba mo bi ye mame. Me mpani ngwa saka baka sa wona wo sika no. Sika na ba oba brewa. Futu nko awodo. O be so kana toje kokko. Kokko be bi no se pe.
O menya kokko ga pe.
Wasra to mo jam. Hey!
Ma to de mo.
Dapa.
Na ti mama nsra na. A mi be we na fe mi funu amani ma twontwom da na mde kala fu bi na kwa asamado.
Kene wache.
Mo asemba no. O mama enye me kala mi wu asamako.
Ayo. Eh, so boy, you be doing more.
And Chelsea, that's my beautiful mom.
Hi, Mom.
And that's my little sister. Nice.
Hi. Mommy, I'll be inside.
I brought my girlfriend to meet my family, which is you people. What is the beef?
Ma, you should understand my feelings.
What? Why is our mom yetimi dada wa ma you say unya feelings mama? What cause your feelings be no no?
Usha unya na bati.
Oh. Obere.
Tie
Na wa hu machine na wo so kana.
Na hu ba.
Na hu sika fu na de abe.
me number.
Want to change your life? Then change yourself. You can win natural. Want to very glasses a show. Paper you not to long. Why?
Jessica, why are you going with this bag?
Mommy, I just want to leave.
Issue. Issue be a bit more. Baby, young come to the mess. Tio fana sumara na pere wapi ni kuna plani. Pamoja drink kasi ya juma shisha no mushi.
So mu yi na nini de okra ni ahye. O mu yi de broni ani ahye.
Pamu bedi di omu papa, mu fe pasta no mu tete. Issue be a bit more. Baby, young come to the mess. Tio fana sumara na kokura bi ni ra plani. Pamoja drink kasi ya juma shisha no mushi.
Chelsea, Kayla, and the useless family. They are scammers.
You're my wife.
Minimum way.
Pamu bedi di omu papa, mu fe pasta no mu tete. Ose ya baba ni ekoko ya beti ati amasi edu enu mebenti e beti edu antisisi ni papa ya baba ni ekoko ya beti ati amasi edu enu mebenti e beti edu antisisi ni papa
Sisi na pa. When you
Hey, ato
40.
my young day.
Sika be mu aye no ma.
Sisi bo me tin.
Nakamema wo me pano afa usika kiti bi me fano nakamema wele swalo ma mfa usimpu e bi me wa nakamema wo me pano afa usika kiti bi me fano nakamema wele swalo ma mfa usimpu e bi me wa yesterday o Jack Toronto na ne ukra kono ehwe.
Oh, you're from Jack Toronto.
Here Canadian burger.
Yes.
Chelsea, did mommy, why me klanja? Come here.
It's not your papa's career.
They look for innocent people, then they will scam you.
What the mommy? And now family. I know how to deal with people like that.
Yo beti e bi e mo tingo be shisha juma ma odako yesterday o Jack Toronto na ne ukra kono ehwe. Yo beti e bi e mo tingo be shisha juma ma odako kita de master my senya beti e ko le be pom my be kwa my be sasa and this is
Arrest him.
Arrest why?
Arrest who? And never my boy. Na me no do na me no na wati. Me no bia na be my emle.
Aye.
Ukita the master, senyake, obetiake, obekwa, issue for say they are going to say issue be a beko. Baby nyanka me chire mesi. Ti obi amfana sumra na bere wa bi ni kuna plane. Omo de ya drink kase adwuma shisha na omo shisha. Omo bedi di omo baba mo fe pasta na omo tete. Issue be a beko. Baby nyanka me chire mesi. Ti obi amfana sumra na kokura bi ni ra plane.
I want you all some time, man.
What else no way?
Says no. Grandmother and no.
Omo de ya drink kase adwuma shisha na omo shisha. Omo bedi di omo papa omo fe paska na omo tete. O say ya baba di e koko ya beti ati amasi edu. Ye no we beti e beti edu. Anti sisi ni papa ya baba di e koko ya beti ati amasi edu. Ye no we beti e beti edu. Anti sisi ni papa
I've put some musical sense into his celebrate and then celebrate.
Always be a mastermind behind everything you do.
From the judgment.
Can you repeat it?
I should always be a mastermind